cook tricolor veggies fry. For this, I have taken a hot pan, poured about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and now I am frying white onions. Now let's add some chopped string beans. Let's stir the ingredients. Now I am adding salt for about 1 teaspoon, and let's stir. It's time to add our second vegetable, and I have matchstick shaped cut chayote or chayote. Let's continue stirring all the veggies. Now time to add the third vegetable, and I have matchstick shaped cut pumpkin or squash. Let's stir all of them together. If you remember, I added salt at the beginning, so we'll just mix them up all together and cover it for some time till the veggies cook well. I think the veggies have cooked well after 5 minutes. The oil has almost separated out. It's now time to add some cumin powder for about 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and let's mix them up. Now let's add some red chili powder. I'm using Korean red chili powder because I love the spice taste. This will give enough color and taste to our dish. I have now added half teaspoon of pepper powder as well. Stir and let it cook for 5 minutes, and yay! Our tricolor veggies fry is ready. I'm seasoning it with some roasted sesame seeds and letting it cook for a minute, and then it's ready to serve hot. Enjoy with a bowl of rice or chapatis. See ya! Try it at home and let me know how it tastes. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye. Whoa. हम ना रहें कभी यारों के